Hey friends, welcome back to Quinn AI Insight. Let me ask you something. What if I told you that ChatGPT today is nothing like what you remember from a few years ago? It's not just smarter, it's a whole new experience. If you love discovering smart AI tools that save time and boost income, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. And don't skip this video because near the end, I'll show you a feature most users completely miss, and it could save you hours every week. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT right now, step by step. So even if you're totally new, you'll know how to unlock its full power. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's get started with the basics, right from your browser. All right, first things first. Open up your browser and scroll down to the description of this video. You'll find a direct link to ChatGPT there. Go ahead and click it. That link takes you straight to the tool we'll be using throughout this video. It's where all the cool stuff happens. Whether you're creating images, writing code, or doing deep research, this is the hub for it all. Now, once the site loads, look up to the top right corner of the screen. If you're brand new, just click on sign up. But honestly, the fastest way, just hit continue with Google. It's quick, it's secure, and you won't have to remember another password. After you're logged in, you'll land right on the ChatGPT homepage. And from here, we're ready to explore everything this powerful tool can do. Now, once the site loads, look up to the top right corner of the screen. If you're brand new, just click on sign up. But honestly, the fastest way, just hit continue with Google. It's quick, it's secure, and you won't have to remember another password. After you're logged in, you'll land right on the ChatGPT homepage. And from here, we're ready to explore everything this powerful tool can do. Right now, I'm using the GPT-4o model, which is amazing for almost every task. But let me show you, there are other models available too. You've got GPT 3.5, great for basic use, GPT-4 awesome for coding and reasoning, GPT-4o mini, even faster with solid visual capabilities. But today we'll stick with GPT-4o because it's the most complete and balanced option. Okay, let's start simple. On the left panel here, you'll see your usual options. Start a new chat, access your old conversations, and the library feature, where your files live. But here's something really cool. You can now upload photos and files, and ChatGPT can analyze them. Let's try that. Click on Add Photos and Files, and you can choose from your computer, Google Drive, OneDrive, whether it's personal or for work or school. I'm going to pick a file from my computer. Let's say this one here. Now I'm just going to click it, and bam! ChatGPT immediately reads the image. Let's ask, what is this photo about? And here's the response. It says this looks like a YouTube thumbnail or promotional banner for a travel vlog. It's reading the actual text on the image, which is super powerful. Even better, this works with PDFs, PowerPoints, Word docs, you name it. ChatGPT now reads everything in those files. Let's try something cool. You can now create images right inside ChatGPT. I'm hitting create an image and I'm typing astronaut cat playing electric guitar on the moon. Boom. Check this out. The cat's floating in space, jamming out with this wild me on guitar. Let me zoom in. Look at that stance. This kitty's got some serious rock star vibes. But hey, I want to switch it up a bit. I'll say, make the cat wear a leather jacket. And now, bam, it updated the image. Our space cat's rocking a full leather look now. Total legend. So yes, now you can generate and edit images. Total creative control. Now let's move on to something bigger, searching the web. Previously, ChatGPT only pulled from internal data. But now it can search the internet in real time. Let me show you. I type, search the web for top social media marketing strategies. And boom, real results from websites like hootsuite.com with actual links and source previews. You can even click to go straight to the page. Super helpful if you're doing research or content work. Here's a tip. When using web search, always enable the show sources option. That way you can cite accurately or double check info. Now let's try coding. Say I want to create a basic HTML homepage for a pet sitting service. I type, write clean HTML code for a pet sitting website homepage. And check this out. It writes a full HTML layout for me. It even displays the output visually in this space called the canvas. This is super useful for developers or people learning to code. Want to give it a try? Just click preview and see it in action. I'll even swap out the image with a dog photo to see how it looks. Quick note, some online viewers might not render everything perfectly, but the structure is there. Now, is it perfect? Not always. Honestly, ChatGPT still makes coding mistakes sometimes, especially with complex layouts. But it's amazing for debugging, and it can help you fix errors fast. Bottom line, it's a handy assistant, not a total replacement for human logic. Click on your profile picture to upgrade your plan if you haven't already. I highly recommend trying GPT Plus. It's just $20 a month and totally worth it. You can also create your own custom GPTs. You can give it a name, describe what it should know about you, and even assign a personality, like copying a famous actor's tone. Inside advanced settings, I always check all the boxes. It makes GPT smarter and way more specific in its answers. You can also switch to dark mode or activate code suggestions when working with data. Super useful. All right, that's a wrap for today's walkthrough of ChatGPT. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you found any part of this video helpful, please give it a like. It really supports the channel. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorial on how to build your own custom GPT from scratch. It's gonna be awesome. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite feature so far? Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.